Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to see an fantastic AI tool which can make our video. It could be an video editor. You can use that for your video editing and you can make money using that video editing tool. So let us go for today video how AI tools can be used to create videos by using another AI tool. So let us go for today video. This is the one we are going to talking about, that is Pictory. It is a fantastic AI tool, so you can use to prepare your videos, so that you can convert your script to video, you can convert an article to video, or you can edit videos using text, or you can use visuals to convert into video. So in this video I am going to explain step by step guidelines for you to create a video through your AI. So we have discussed about many AI tools which can create a content for your story, so thereby that story can be converted into video here. So in order to make a script or a story, so you have to use another AI tool. So you can use Chatgpt or you can use any another tool. So in last videos I have discussed about a important video called Rytr. So if you not watched the video, please do watch this video. So what is the special feature in this Rytr is that there is an option called story plot. So this is Rytr is all about. So you can open Rytr for free. So you can see blog section, idea section, brand name, call to action. So there are many n number of options in your Rytr. So in this, a specific option is called story plot. In the last video also I have discussed the same with you, that is story plot. So in the story idea I have given two friends are planning for a project on PV system, that is they are going to install a solar panel. So in this AI tool, generate a story for your story idea. So this is what the story I have generated with this AI, that is using our Rytr. So let us see how this script can be converted into video through your Pictory. Let us go for your magic. So you have to do, what you have to do is I have made a script with Rytr. So you have to click on proceed. So click on proceed. After I have copied in Pictory, it will create a scene by scene explanation, thereby your video is created scene by scene. So here what I have used is, I have just click on this visuals. So you can see, you can choose what type of visuals you want, so accordingly you can plan. So there are many different visuals will be given, so thereby you can use for every scene, you can use that visuals. So I have selected this visual for my start. Next there are elements, you can click for elements, you can add what are the elements you needed in your videos. Next one is that audio. So in that audio you can, there are 15,000 plus tracks are available, so you can use, I have applied this falling back. So let us see the preview. So our video is playing with a background score. So this is the background, so you can adjust the background audio settings by clicking the audio settings. Next one is important thing is voiceover. There are many voiceover things are there. So that is according to this your scene plot, there will be voice will be generated. So the narration of the voiceover can be selected by yourself. So you can make use of this voiceover also. So if you want female voice or male voice, like that you can select. Even the child voice also there. So for what is the voice which is suit for your video, you can go for the select. Okay, this is an important option. Next one is, so this is my uploads. This is very important, the background music and the voiceover. Next, if you want add text, you can add text in your videos, like that you can do in your videos. So next one is styles. So which is the styles you want, like that you can give in this video. So like that it is scene by scene is created. This is scene 1. So we have seen just like that. I am clicking story. So in that scene 1, Cindy and Tommy have been best friends since they were kids. So for that it will generate a video. Next one, I am clicking that scene 2. So they shared a common passion for renewable energy and dreamed of creating a solar powered electricity system for their community. So this is how the video will be. So next they decided to embark the project gathering resources like that scene 3. So for scene 3 a video will be created. So this is what it will look like. So like that, step by step process, the video will be created according to the script input you have given. So thereby the idea of your content will be created into an video. So let us see the preview of this video. So I am giving preview, so it will take several minutes. Now you can see the demo here. After adding all the voiceover in every single clip,
solar-powered electricity system for their community. They decided to embark on the project, gathering resources and researching the best way to build a photovoltaic (PV) system. With their newfound knowledge, they established a plan, set up a budget and created an outline for the project timeline. To raise money for the materials, they launched a crowdfunding campaign. With the help of their friends, family and neighbors, they exceeded their goal and were able to purchase all of the necessary components to begin building the system. Using recycled materials from other projects in their community, they constructed 5 solar panel systems that would be connected together to produce electricity. Upon installation, the PV system was tested using industry-standard tools until it was running smoothly and efficiently.
So this is how you can make video with this Pictory using your scripts. So if you want to edit this video, you can add outro scene or intro scene. So thereby you can, for example, you are branding your channel content or something you want to go into brand, or you have to give an introduction regarding this video. So you can add an intro scene. So the next important thing is you can insert scene, a blank, a text or visuals. So whatever maybe you can insert. So if you are not satisfied with this voiceover, you can add your voiceover in this video also. So and then if you don't want to need a particular portion of a scene of the video, you can trim this video also. This is how you can make video using this AI tool Pictory. So if you, after completion, you can see a preview. If you are satisfied with your video, just click on to generate, then your video will be generated. So this is how you can make video. After clicking generate, your video is stored in your device. So this is how you can make videos. This is a example for only script to video conversion. So if you are interested in an article, if you want to make an article to be a video, so you can use this option. You can copy the URL and you can convert this into video. So or you can use text to edit your videos. Next, visuals. So if you are seeing any visuals, so just you drag and drop and you can attach that to make an video. So this is how it is very easy to make an video. So for example, you are making an technical analysis. If you want to present it as a video, so make use of this AI tool to complete your work. And also if you are a YouTuber or a video or a content creator, you can use this kind of AI tool to make money. So this is an important option in your Pictory. So this is an very promising tool. That is, you can use Rytr, my suggestion also, or you can use Chatgpt for your story plot or story conversion, or making scripts or any article for your analysis. So this is what this video is about. Hope this video will bring an awareness about how to make videos using this AI tool. So thank you for watching our videos. Do support our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.